Unbelievable, total idiots in cars, and worst drivers, road incidents. The truck driver, turning the corner, did not expect the trailer to detachment. Japanese streets are very narrow. At the wrong moment, a car drove around the bend. Car going too fast, was about to turn towards the gas station, but it was not braking it. Lack of brakes was the reason for not stopping in front of stationary vehicles. Fast Lamborghini failed in this situation. Driving like this in such weather was not advisable. Taxi driver wanted to run a red light, which you can see ended badly. On the left side of this guy, don't look in the mirror while rubbing another vehicle. Delivery truck capsized on its side after the impact. Driving through the intersection in such a way resulted in several damage to the car. A bad driver does not have a driving license to drive through the intersection in the wrong light. The postman is overtaking the sedan. He got in the way and the red car almost lost its control. This idiot in car did not look at the road signs. Two cars collided in the middle of the road, not knowing who has priority. Volkswagen was speeding, so that it did not have time to look around if anyone was overbroad from the side. A vehicle standing on the road, not properly marked, was the cause of the collision. Incredible how this guy could collide with another car, hardly capsize. At the last moment, the speeding truck without brakes swung left, avoiding the car. Entering the intersection at this point was not a good solution. These guys did not know the rules of the road, causing losses. The black pickup did not manage to stop in front of the line marked for it. This situation could have been avoided if care had been taken. A fire truck on a signal tried to cross the intersection on a red light. Unexpected ride from the other vehicle across the road was no safe. In America, two big cars make it impossible to react quickly.
Accident.
Vehicles before the driver stopped suddenly, causing road blockage. At the wrong time, the Russian driver pulled into the car park. This man forgot his vehicle was too tall to cross such a bridge. Forest truck pushed another road participant to the side of the road without looking in the mirror. Russian drivers are not always knowledgeable about driving. High speed when changing lanes was a key element of the incident. The silver vehicle stopped at the wrong moment. Worst driver, coming from the opposite direction, damaged other cars by moving like that. A loaded trailer, which turned out to be too heavy for the vehicle, caused the loss of stability.